Hello everyone and welcome to the USC RPL livestream of Earthshakiiest. We are about 20 to 30 minutes away from static firing. I am your host, Jeremy, the media lead of USC RPL. Earthshakiiest is the third in the series, starting with Earthshaker and then Earthshakiier, which you may have saw last year. If successful, Earthshakiiest will be the largest composite case amateur rocket motor by impulse ever fired, and will lead the way to our next flight vehicle, Dome Piercer, which will go to pass the Kármán line and break a new record for the highest an amateur team has ever flown. The road to Earthshakiiest began last year when we successfully laid up the case named Dexter. This case layup took place over multiple days and involved our homemade CNC winder, which has been made over generations of USC RPL members. The case is completely redesigned from Earthshakiier following our conclusive anomaly investigation, leading to a most likely cause being in the case design.
Mark, this is Sam. We're good to go. Over. Firing of the University of Southern California Folsom Laboratories space-shot motor for Earthshakiiest. T0 is scheduled in 18 minutes on February 13th, 2022. We are currently at T-minus 18 minutes. Please remain silent for the remainder of the countdown. Terminal count begins now. This is Mark, addressing item 2. Ready to confirm nominal DAC operations. Zach, can you confirm nominal configuration and operation of the DAC? Over.
Zach, adjusting line item 3, confirms the DAC is nominal. Over.
Media team, begin camera recordings. Over. Media has begun recording and we are heading back to the bunker. Over. Are the cameras recording and has the media team returned to the bunker? Over.
Cameras are recording and the media team is back. Over.
Smart, addressing item 7. Sam, please verify that the ignition cable has no voltage. Over.
This is Sam. Please verify that at the bunker end that the wires are twisted together and away from the battery. Over.
This is Mark. The wires are twisted tightly together and away from the battery. Over.
Copy.
Following the case layup, we begin the process of pinning. This is where we drill over 100, or about 100, small holes into the case. These hold the retention ring pins, which is what retains the motor together. There are no screws involved. It's a very simple system, but very effective at keeping the case together using the composite structure. This being a test fire, it is of course crucial that we collect lots and lots of data. The DAC team was hard at work, putting strain gauges, couples, and the load cell to read the test performance. Additionally, our in-house micro DAC unit is recording all the data in real time and also giving a live visualization to operators here at the bunker. cleaned all the thermocouples on the case and the test article. We have a thermal camera provided to us courtesy of FLIR that will be providing us some awesome infrared footage of the static fire. Another important part of manufacturing this test article was the nozzle layout. This is where we lay strips of carbon fiber flies very precisely and carefully on a machined mold to the dimensions set by the simulations team. The nozzle is one of the most important parts of the rocket as it converts all the hot exhaust to the combustion chamber into thrust. In addition, it has to handle super high temperatures, so the ablative phenolic and graphite insert with that process. Last but definitely not least, the pad team was hard at work last night setting up the pad. After Earthshakiiest, we had to redesign aspects of the thrust stand, which now features a modular 80-20 rail. This rail ensures proper alignment of the thrust vector going into the load cell at the end of the rocket. The pad team installed the pad last night, and it's secured where you see it now on flight today.
Igniter has been inserted and nozzle plug has been taped. Over.
Copy. This is Mark addressing item 9. Please send the remainder of the ignition crew back to the bunker. Over.
My apologies, there may have been some confusion in the steps. We have not yet attached the leads to the igniter. Over.
Copy that. Please attach the leads to the igniter. Over.
The ignition wire has been connected to the igniter, but it is still shunted. Over.
This is Mark. Please send the remainder of the crew to the bunker now, and then arm the shunt. Over.
Copy. Igniter is armed. We are returning to the bunker. Over.
Please confirm that the ignition crew has returned to the bunker and the pad is clear. Over.
This is Sam. Pad is clear, and ignition team has returned to the bunker. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 13. Ready to confirm nominal DAC operations following igniter insertion. Zach, can you confirm nominal configuration and operation of the DAC? Over.
Zach, addressing item 14. Confirm DAC is nominal.
Mark, addressing item 15. Corey, please perform the range check. Over.
This is Corey. Range is clear. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 17. We are at the standard 2-minute hold to perform go halt checks. If there's any uncertainty or problem regarding the mission success, please call halt. Over. This is Mark, addressing item 18. Commencing go halt checks for thrust stand assembly integrity. Michael, is the thrust stand to go? Over.
It's not. Thrust stand is a go. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 20. Commencing go halt checks for motor integrity. Corey, is the motor case a go? Over.
This is Corey. Motor case is a go. Over.
Michael, is motor case a go? Over.
Small motor case is a go. Over.
Sam, is the motor case a go? Over.
This is Sam. Motor case is go. Over.
Sam, please check the continuity of the igniter. Is the igniter go? Over.
The cable broke. Luca, can you get the wire strippers for the ignition cable, please? Over. cable has the proper voltage and resistance. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 28. Jeremy, are cameras a go? Over.
Cameras are a go. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 30. Corey, is the pad clear? Over.
Corey, pad is clear. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 32. Zach, begin recording data. Over.
Zach, adjusting item 33. DAC recording has begun. Over.
This is Mark, addressing item 34. Zach, is DAC a go? Over.
This is Zach, adjusting item 35. DAC is a go. Over.
We are go for fire. We are currently at T-minus 2 minutes. remains the full period full service direction. By the pad, recall the media, waive everything signed, and I do not post anything. Thank you.
Well, folks, obviously that wasn't the result we were hoping for, but we're going to go get started right now with the anomaly investigation, so stay tuned to our social media channels. Thank you for tuning in today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.